In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AMD Adrenalin Error 195. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first fix is what we need to do is go ahead and check your internet connection. So this is the most common cause. So error 195 often happens when AMD's installer can't reach its server. So go ahead and switch to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Turn off any VPNs or proxies. Restart your router, then try again in a few minutes. Now the next fix is go ahead and open up a web browser and type in AMD Adrenalin and hit enter. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on the first link, AMD Software Adrenalin Edition. So basically, we want to go ahead and download this software and then go ahead and run it. Then from there, just manually select your graphics card and find your Windows version, then download the full Adrenalin driver package and then run and install it as administrator. That's key. And now this is going to bypass the error completely in most cases. Now the next fix we can do is go ahead and click on Windows and R. And then you should have a run prompt. Then from there, we want to go ahead and type in this line. So %local app data %, click on OK. And now it's going to open up your local app data. From here, we want to go ahead and find these folders, AMD or AMD cache. So if you found them, just go ahead, pretend these are AMD, just go ahead, right click it and delete them. Then restart your PC and then try installing it again. And another thing we can try is updating, making sure we've got the latest Windows update. So open up settings, click on Windows update, and now if there's any updates, we can go ahead and check for updates and make sure that your Windows is fully up to date.